Hello there, I'm Ara from RTE Robotics, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Motion Library in Scratch. So first thing, what we need to do is we need to learn about the UI. So this thing, the cat, is known something as a sprite, and he'll basically be the thing that you'll be coding for the rest of your life on Scratch. And so to start, to move this guy, the sprite, and call him cat, we need an input to start the actual code. So this green flag. You'll be clicking this gram so many times that your finger will be tired of it. To move this guy in the direction that he is pointing at, or he's looking, so this direction, you can use the move 10 steps command, which just does what it says. Moves in 10 steps. Let's put him back on the middle. And this can be used just to move the cat around. Now we go to the turn degrees. So this just turns the cat around. But the reason that this might not work for you is that you need to set the rotation style to all around. So now, if you click the green flag, it should rotate like this. All rotation style does is just changes how it rotates. We'll learn about it later in the video. Next, so we'll see what the go to random position. It's basically self-explanatory. It just goes to a random position. However, this go to doesn't actually mean the cat goes to a random position. It just teleports there, as shown. So if you want to make it just seem really fast, you can just click it green flag really fast. Or you can use some control blocks, which you learn about in a later video. Let me just rearrange the cat. So next we have the specified go to command, as I call it. So this means that if you put the cat anywhere on the screen, once you click the green flag, it will go to the specified coordinate. And this goes for the same thing for the glide commands. However, the glide commands move the cat to a random position. So as you can see, the cat is physically moving, which is different to go to random position, which just teleports it. So I hope that clears a bit up. Next, let's go to the point in direction. This point in direction just changes where the cat points. So if you want to point the other way, then you can do that. But this also changes the direction in which the move command works. So if we change it like this, then the cat will flip around and it will move in that direction. But if you want the cat to move in this direction, but you want it to be pointing upwards, so about 30 degrees, what we'd do is we would set rotational style to don't rotate and the point direction to 90. So that's basically what you have to do is you have to change the point in direction, then set the rotation style. Okay, and basically the cat will always be facing this way, and the point in direction just changes the direction in which the cat moves. now we can use now we learn about how to use the coordinate commands, as I call them. So these four commands. So change x by 10. This practically does the same thing as what I just previously showed you with the move and the rotation style. It just moves it in this direction, in the x direction. The set x command just moves the cat towards the vertical line in which x is equal to whatever the value here is. So if we change to say something like 10, it will move to the line it says, which is x equals 10. Then change it to 100, then it moves to 100, and so on and so forth. And it's basically the same thing with y, just up and down. And the set y value, that sets it to a horizontal line. So the cat would be on this line, something like that. So yeah, that's all for the motion library in Scratch.